Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, the kind I will share my video. Remember, we to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. You want me a notification bell no? Tell me the video. Be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Because you see a custard ice cream. Yes, that's it. What the 1 cup milk begu saucepan is jasu. The milk kakra begu 2 tablespoons custard powder. Now the 1/4 cup sugar egu milk nim. What the 1/3 cup aka ho. We just su amana hu. Who pe now the custard powder na ho si ho no. Wo de abegum. No we no mu se de enye apa. Emre si jas now the 3 tablespoons powder milk. Now the sugar cracker ho. No wakọ ho no. We na de si nchen. Aha na be na watwe. Opa wo besone so. Won so ne so nso a wo de vanilla kakra de ebegum. We na powder milk na ho ye no wo de aka ho. Wa mixing it together. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are not going to go at the full and send out the cocoa ice cream cup and a disposable cup. The ice cream stick as she BM. Now the question freezer for 4 hours. After 4 hours, no. Now where you know I serve it. Make matches need the kind I will show me video. Remember when to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. You want me a notification bell no. Tell me the video. Be a better one Sabeka. Me every na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our custard ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.